Welcome to our deep dive into the world of chemistry, the central science that connects and explains so much of the world around us. From the smallest atom to the largest star, chemistry is the study of matter and its incredible transformations. Get ready to explore the atoms, molecules, and reactions that make up everything we see, touch, and experience. We'll uncover the fundamental principles governing chemical reactions, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. We'll journey through the fascinating history of chemical discoveries and meet the brilliant minds who shaped our understanding of this essential science. So buckle up, science fans, as we embark on an adventure into the heart of chemistry. What is chemistry? You might think it's all bubbling beakers and complicated formulas, and well, sometimes it is. But really, chemistry is the study of, and by stuff, I mean matter. Everything around us, from the chair you're sitting on to the air you're breathing, is made up of matter. Chemistry helps us understand what that matter is made of, how it behaves, and how it changes. It's about the atoms, the tiny building blocks of everything, and how they come together to form molecules. And get this, those molecules aren't just sitting still, they're constantly moving, reacting, and transforming. Chemistry is about understanding those interactions, those amazing chemical reactions that make the world so dynamic. Think about it. Plants use chemistry to turn sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. Our bodies use chemistry to digest food and power our every move. Even the screen you're watching this on relies on chemical reactions to produce light and color. Chemistry is everywhere. It's the science of everything. It's the air we breathe, the food we eat, the clothes we wear. It's the reason fireworks explode with vibrant colors and why soap gets rid of grease. So you see, chemistry isn't just about memorizing the periodic table, though that's pretty cool too. It's about understanding the fundamental principles that govern the world around us. It's about asking questions, making observations, and most importantly, getting your hands dirty with experiments. Just like a family, chemistry has many branches, each with its own unique personality. Let's meet some key members of the chemistry family. Organic chemistry studies carbon-containing compounds. Carbon is versatile, forming countless molecules. It's essential for understanding life, like proteins and DNA. Inorganic chemistry focuses on non-carbon elements. Think metals, minerals, and periodic table elements. It develops new materials like semiconductors and catalysts. Physical chemistry combines chemistry and physics. It studies energy changes in reactions. Analytical chemistry identifies and quantifies matter. It's crucial for environmental monitoring and food safety. Biochemistry studies chemical processes in living organisms. It unravels DNA replication and protein synthesis. Chemistry isn't confined to the lab, it's all around us, making our lives healthier, safer, and more sustainable. Let's explore some of the amazing ways chemistry is making a difference in the world. First up, healthcare. Chemistry is at the heart of modern medicine, from developing life-saving drugs to creating innovative diagnostic tools. And for all you space enthusiasts out there, chemistry is essential for exploring the cosmos. Rocket fuel, life support systems, and even the analysis of extraterrestrial samples all rely on the principles of chemistry. Chemistry isn't a solitary pursuit. It's a team sport, collaborating with other scientific disciplines to solve complex problems and advance our understanding of the world. Let's meet some of chemistry's biggest fans. First up, we have medicine. Chemistry and medicine are like two peas in a pod, working hand in hand to develop new drugs and therapies. Medicinal chemists use their knowledge of chemical structures and reactions to design molecules that interact with specific targets in the body, treating diseases at their source. Next, let's talk about environmental science. Chemistry is crucial for understanding and mitigating environmental problems. Environmental chemists study the fate and transport of pollutants in the environment, developing strategies to remediate contaminated sites and prevent further pollution. And hold on to your atoms, because chemistry is also making waves in nanotechnology. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level, creating materials with unique properties. Chemists play a vital role in designing and synthesizing these nanomaterials, which have applications in everything from electronics to medicine. But that's not all. Chemistry also teams up with fields like geology, archaeology, and forensic science. Geochemists study the chemical composition of rocks and minerals, providing insights into Earth's history. Archaeologists use chemical dating techniques to determine the age of artifacts, and forensic scientists rely on chemistry to analyze evidence and solve crimes. Chemistry has a rich and fascinating history, dating back thousands of years. From the ancient alchemists to modern-day scientists, let's take a journey through time and explore the key milestones that shaped this captivating science. Our story begins with the ancient Greeks, who were among the first to ponder the nature of matter. They believed that everything was made up of four fundamental elements: earth, air, fire, and water. While their ideas were rudimentary, they laid the groundwork for the development of chemistry as a science. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, where alchemy reigned supreme. Alchemists were part mystic, part experimentalist, obsessed with transforming base metals into gold and discovering the elixir of life. While their efforts to achieve these lofty goals were ultimately unsuccessful, they made important contributions to our understanding of chemical processes and laboratory techniques. The 17th century marked a turning point for chemistry with the rise of modern science. Robert Boyle, often hailed as the father of modern chemistry, challenged the Aristotelian view of the elements, proposing that matter was made up of tiny, indivisible particles. In the 18th century, Antoine Lavoisier, a French chemist, revolutionized chemistry with his meticulous experiments on combustion and his development of the law of conservation of mass. Lavoisier is also credited with identifying and naming oxygen, a pivotal discovery in the history of chemistry. The 19th century witnessed a flurry of discoveries, including the development of the periodic table by Dmitri Mendeleev, the theory of atomic structure by John Dalton, and the groundbreaking work of Marie Curie on radioactivity. As we look to the future, chemistry faces both challenges and opportunities. From developing sustainable solutions to addressing global challenges, let's explore the exciting frontiers of this ever-evolving science. One of the biggest challenges facing chemistry is the need to develop more sustainable and environmentally friendly processes. Green chemistry, a movement that emphasizes reducing or eliminating hazardous substances in chemical processes, is gaining momentum. Chemists are working to design safer solvents, develop more efficient catalysts, and minimize waste generation. Another major challenge is addressing climate change. Chemistry plays a crucial role in developing renewable energy sources such as solar cells, fuel cells, and batteries. Chemists are also working on carbon capture and storage technologies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. In the field of medicine, chemistry continues to drive innovation. Personalized medicine, which tailors treatments to an individual's genetic makeup, is an area of intense research. Chemists are also developing new drugs to combat antibiotic resistance, a growing global health threat. Nanotechnology, with its potential to revolutionize everything from electronics to medicine, continues to captivate scientists. Chemists are at the forefront of designing and synthesizing new nanomaterials with tailored properties. And let's not forget about the vast, unexplored territories of space. Chemistry will play a vital role in enabling human exploration of Mars and beyond, from developing advanced life support systems to analyzing extraterrestrial samples for signs of life. So, we've journeyed through the atoms, explored the branches of chemistry, witnessed its impact on our world, and glimpsed its exciting future. Now, what does it all mean for you? Chemistry might seem like a complex subject, but it's a subject that's crucial for everyone to understand at least the basics. Why? Because chemistry literacy empowers you to make informed decisions about your health, the environment, and the products you use. When you understand the chemistry behind everyday products, from food to cleaning supplies, you can make choices that are safer for you and the planet. You can read labels with a discerning eye, understanding the potential impacts of different ingredients. Chemistry education also fosters critical thinking skills. It teaches you to ask questions, analyze data, and think systematically about complex issues. These skills are invaluable not just in science but in all aspects of life, and hey, you never know, you might just discover a passion for chemistry along the way. The world needs more scientists, engineers, and informed citizens who can tackle the challenges facing our planet. So stay curious, keep exploring, and never underestimate the power of chemistry. It's the science that makes the world go round, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one to make the next big discovery. As humanity faces unprecedented challenges, chemistry remains at the forefront, offering solutions that blend creativity, ethics, and scientific rigor. From developing sustainable technologies to combating diseases, chemistry empowers us to create a healthier, more sustainable future. Remember, chemistry is more than just equations and lab codes. It's a way of thinking, a lens through which we can understand and appreciate the intricate workings of our world. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of chemistry. The future is brimming with possibilities, and with a solid understanding of chemistry, you can be part of shaping a brighter tomorrow.